Rehar Juliet Mubi or PRO wa National Forest Authority nagira ngo ecotourism nebasa kuyambaho kucendeza pressure ahabira kandi garche yihona no kumara heavy birebi.
If you forests are homes or it's a home for wildlife or flora and fauna. So if you destroy 1 tree or 1 hectare of a forest reserve, that means you've destroyed a home of a chimp, a home of a monkey, a home of a baboon that might end up in the community. We've seen cases where these wild animals have attacked human beings in the communities once their home is destroyed. So that's the impact. The moment you destroy a forest, you're destroying a home for these wildlife animals. So we call upon all the stakeholders, the local authorities, the media and other community members, because the impact goes beyond the authority that manages the forest reserves. Actually, the biggest impact is felt by the forest adjacent communities.
Ngogumwe hagarichere yayo rekangwe byona ebiro kuturo mbivirebi ebiro muka chimpanzi na za babuni nibyo bikuyamba abantu okwija kurambura. Two communities of chimps here. One is being utilized for research and another one is being utilized for ecotourism purposes. With our partners, Bugoma Primate Conservation Project, we've been, habituation of chimps started in 2015, and for these two communities, at least now they are able to be viewed by tourists and other members of the community. That's why we are here today. Bugoma is a forest with very high biodiversity. There are several species here. We've seen the chimps, there are baboons, there are monkeys, and other species like even butterflies. Ogu yayengera yasha abantu baburijo okureba ngo bayonegeza entunguko mbye burambuzi obwa habyaro hamwe no bwentasi y'amakagabo.
Search has been ongoing for this particular project for Bugoma Primate Conservation Project. The habituation started in 2015. So there is time that you allow for the chimps to be habituated, and then they are able to be seen by tourists or other visitors. So all that has happened, and now we are opening up for the visitors to be doing chimp tracking here.
Do some ecological monitoring. We monitor the water, we monitor the trees to see, are they fruiting, are they flowering, do we have enough food for the animals? As I said, if you're studying chimps, you have to know, do they have food? Do they have water, and how are they interacting with others? So because of that, we're also interested in the weather, which in the long term we should be able to contribute more to the long-term issue where they're saying that climate change is an issue. So we are as well interested in long-term weather data collection. And also we do not conserve the forest for the forest, but we conserve the forest for the people. We are trying as well work with the local communities.
Omuringo ngogumwe wota kankwasa ori omuchondoza kandi urukore kitongore ekya Bugoma Primate Conservation Project agiyorekere enshonga habwenki okumevera necho muhendo.
Chimps are our flagship species, but also we understand that the forest is an ecosystem. So when you conserve chimps, the other species as well come into play, or they are as well protected. So currently we focus specifically on 2 primate species, that's the chimps and the mangabees.
Amakuraga gashakwaga dasaba abwa Sky TV ya genshonga.